Okay, so welcome to the sweep, all right? Now with the sweep, just like most of these, you have a single and a double option. So I'm going to work with the single first, get you to have a practice of that, and then we'll look at the double, okay? So I'm going to just hold my fan down a little bit so I can see you and you can see me. But with the sweep, what we're looking to do is we're just looking to simply take the fan away from the body. We're then sort of bringing it up, round and back through, okay? So I'll show you that again on the other side. Now, when I show you on this side, this is actually behind, all right? So it doesn't matter if it's behind or in front because I can brush it through if I need to. But I'm going to bring the arm out to the side, I'm going to bring the fan down. I'm going to loop it up, over, and then I'm going to flick it back up again. Now what's really good on the return of the flick up is if I've lost control or if I've lost kind of the ridge where I'm holding the fan open with my baby finger, my bottom fingers, is that lift up again can actually allow the fan to drop back open. So I'll show you that again. I'm sort of pulling through, it's closed a little bit, but as I flick it back up, it allows it to open back up again, and then I can get my fingers back in position, ready for the next bit. So let me show you those sweeps again. Yeah? We're coming down, looping and back round. Down, looping and back round. And this can be done from any position, yeah? So you could be here in a half shell. You can take it down and back up again if you don't want to quite show your face. Yeah? It can be from any position. So even from your basic forward open, back through, yeah? Your single sweep. So now let's look at the double sweep, all right? So we're across here in our body. We're just going to do exactly the same, but we're going to do two hands at a time. Now the coming apart isn't usually the problem, it's the return that can get you in a pickle. Because what you have to remember is when you're returning, you can't just bring them back in together, yeah? Because what's going to happen is they're going to clash and get stuck. What you need to do is bring one arm in slightly ahead than the other, okay? So let's just stick with the basic double sweep and I'll show you what I mean. So at the moment I'm across my body. I'm going to bring the arms down, sweep through and back. Yeah? Down, sweep through and back. So it depends what you're doing next, will depend how you return the hands. Down, sweep through and back. Okay? You might sweep through and into shell. Yeah? But what's important is you just make sure that as you're bringing them back to the body or back to the next position, that you let one hand slightly ahead of the other. And then obviously once you're feeling more confident, you can start, you know, doubling up. You can kind of do singles, then into your doubles, yeah? And you can sort of create them into other moves. So that is your sweep, your body sweep, okay? Because there's another sweep coming further in the course. So I'll leave you to have some fun and some practice with that. I'll see you for the next module.